wet wood.
Very good. It is wet wood.
Can you do this? I could. But without what? Maybe. Yeah, this is kind of hard.
Why is it hard?
It's wet. And it's moving. Oh, yeah.
Did you hear how I told you to move it closer to the... If you move it and you cut over there...
Here?
Yes. It will move less. You see how it moves less? Mm-hmm. All you need is Max to hold the other end for you.
Come here?
See how it... Well, see? Max, would you please just wait until he finishes cutting the wood?
Oh, wait, this is. Please get down.
Put on the goggles. You see? What do you think happened?
It broke.
It broke. You broke the equipment.
Sorry, Daniel.
I forgive you. You just be more careful next time.
I need to get a different one.
Yes. Put it up on top of the table. The other saw is over there on top of that green.
Can I just continue it?
Perhaps you can.
Yeah, I can.
All right.
Yeah, I think you made me try. You only said try.
Yes. Now use the other saw and finish it, please.
It's gonna be hard.
How long do you think it takes a man to do it? Wait, put the goggles on, please.
1 minute or so?
No, it would take about 5 minutes, perhaps. But you are doing it for the first time, and you are learning. I'll hold it for you.
I just...
Please do it over there where you already started.
This one is less...
Do you know what a 45-degree angle is?
Nope.
Okay, let me show you.
Daniel,
Put that on the
I
table.
already tried.
Yes, you already tried. Were you successful?
No.
So I'm going to teach you how to be more successful. Hold it, not like this, but like this, at this angle.
Okay.
And go slowly with it. This is a 45-degree angle. Do you have it with a good grip? There you go. Perhaps you need, Do you have it at 45-degree angle?
No, yeah.
Okay. This is, okay, stop.
It's kind of hard now.
This-
I can't do it.
That's right. You're going to have a lot of difficult time. This is 45-degree angle, okay?
Daniel,
Yes?
right. It's not working. I barely even made a scratch on it.
Are you able to fix the saw that you busted right now?
No, I don't. Maybe I could. Here, let me look at it.
These are called skills. You need them. Do you think Max can fix it?
No. Yeah, maybe, probably. Yeah, I can't do it.
So, were you successful at doing it?
No. But I got successful on doing this part. Oh, it was upside down.
These are things that you need to learn how to do. You see, when I was your age, I wanted to do these things, but guess what happened?
You couldn't.
I was ordered not to do them. And I was an obedient child. See?
Yeah, it's barely doing anything.
You know why?
Why?
It's called strength. You need to get stronger.
So am I done? So am I done?
I don't know.
I know.
Hmm?
So am I done?
Yes, you're done for the day.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Do me a favor. Don't put the goggles so that you won't scratch them. Put them like this next time.